Ayan guys, we have an update for the pepper and thankfully medyo maganda na kasi nag-germinate na siya, thank God. Ayan. So ayan, when you look at the pechay, actually, I'm not really satisfied kasi medyo leggy siya. And here sa pepper guys, as you can see, nag-germinate na siya thankfully, silang 5. You can see the green and I'm so happy kasi akala ko failure yon. Matagal lang siya mag-germinate kapag ganito, fruit bearing. So, waiting is really good. And here, chinek ko na yung pH level niya. I always make sure that the pH level is like around 6.08, 6.1, or sometimes I really want it to be like 6.06, 6.01, like that. Or just flat 6.0. And of course, I need to also check the ppm. This is 1,400. So that is a normal ppm. So okay yung ppm niya. So this nutsol or nutrient solution is good enough to add sa ating, saan ba to? I forgot. Saan ba to ilalagay? I think this is for the pechay. I'm not sure. Ayan, lagay mo na girl. Huwag ka na mahiya. Ayan. So, nilagay ko muna siya dyan kasi maliit pa naman. Ayan, for pechay. Yeah, this is for pechay. So, as you can see, yung growth niya is maganda, greeny. Pero feeling ko leggy talaga yung isa. Or yung tatlo. Actually, feeling ko leggy yung tatlo. Yung isa, at saka yung isa, yung hindi leggy. Di ako medyo satisfied. Siguro mga 90% satisfied ako. But so far, it's quite good. You just need to like check from time to time the nutsol. Ayan, so here naman, as you can see, yung pH level niya is around 6.2. Okay na yung 6.2. But, mas gusto ko siyang maging nag 6.3 siya. Mas gusto ko siyang maging 6.01. Mas gusto ko talaga 6.08. Ganon. Ayoko nang sumusobra sa 6.1. And if you check the pH level, this is for the pepper, by the way, and 1,800 is normal for fruit bearing. Hanggang 2,900 siya. So, this is just normal for me for the fruit bearing. And here I check again the pH level. Kita nyo, para siyang science experiment, guys. So, nasa 6.34 siya. So, what I did is I get pH down. That is the pH down, guys. Small amount lang siya kasi malaki yung effect niya kapag nilagay mo siya ng too much. So, mas bababa siya. So, i-mix mo lang siya ng ganyan. Tapos, check mo ulit yung pH level niya. Medyo tense akong nag-mix kasi baka mag-allergy ako. Baka this is the cause of the allergy last month, but it's not. So, I'm happy. So, kita nyo, nilagyan ko siya ng pH down. Bumaba siya ng konti kasi sobrang konti lang din yung nalagay ko. Kaya, I decided to add another one. So, para siyang science experiment, guys. Oh my God. Naging busy ako niyan. Kumukuha ako ng pH down. Yan yung pH down. Ayan. Konting drops lang siya. Tapos, bababa na yung pH level. So, sulit yung pagbili nyo ng pH down at pH up. Kasi konti lang talaga yung nagagamit mo. It will take a lot of... It can last for months. So, ayan. I-check natin ulit. As you can see, it went down to 6.2. 6.2. Ayan. But mas gusto ko talaga 6.0 plus siya. Kaya nilagyan ko ulit. Ayan. Sumobra na si madam. Feeling ko lang talaga. Sumobra ko dyan. So, mix mo ulit. Mix na mix, 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 mix. Isipin mo na lang, science experiment to. Because you're trying to get your desired, I'm trying to get the desired pH level, which is 6.01. So, ayan, bumaba na siya ng 6.16, 6.13. Actually, sa iba, okay na sa kanila yan. Minsan nga 6.4, okay na sa kanila. But since I'm a beginner and I'm perfectionist ako, gusto kong 6.0 siya. Ayan, from time to time, chine-check ko pa rin yung ppm niya. And nasa 1,800 talaga. So, it is a good nutrients. Mas maa-absorb siya kapag ganyan. And this is fruit bearing. And first time kong mag-experiment for fruit bearing. So, I hope na maging successful ito, guys. So, I decided to put it down na ayan, ilagay ko na siya. So, nag-bottom watering na ako since nag-germinate na yung pepper ko. Hindi ko na siya hinintay na tumaas kasi baka maging leggy siya. I'm afraid na maging leggy siya. So, I decided to put 100% nutrient solutions and bottom watering. Hello, this is day 10 and as you can see, oh my god, this is the pechay and the pepper. Ayan, may lumabas na dalawang leaves after like hours, like 24 hours. Mayroon na siyang leaves. Nilagyan ko siya ng 100% nutrient solution and I think that's the best decision I did. Yeah. Hi guys. So this is our update. Our pechay is doing really well. Our atsal, our pepper is doing good. Lumalabas na siya. Yan. As you can see. Nagbunga naman. And ito, it's doing really well too. Kasi talagang kinokontrol ko yung pH level niya. Day 11, January 27. As you can see, almost every pepper na ang lumalabas na leaves and it's very healthy, so green, hindi leggy, and I think my one pechay is not going to survive, as in sobrang behind niya. I think there's a problem with the seed. So as you can see, may isa na lang yung hindi nakalabas ang leaves, but all in all, everything is good. And of course, my grandma is here today and idol na idol niya si Ivana. So shout out kay Ivana, my grandma loves you. Hello! So I only have 2 minutes and several seconds before my class starts, and this past few days is not really good. I just keep on taking videos, updates for my hydroponics third round. Tapos nihintay ko pa yung curing time ng scented candle, which I think is fail. Hopefully hindi siya fail. Pwede siyang gamitin. But 50% chance na failure yon. Kasi may mali ako sa computation. And right now, my mood is not yet. It's not really good. I'm not feeling well. Malapit na ang regla days and inaatake ako ng depression, anxiety. Mainit ang ulo ko. My mind's so negative. Like, puro negative na lang. So, di sana ako maliligo, but I need to para lumamig yung utak. Face here. So far naman sa observation ko sa updates ng mga hydroponics, the third round for petri is good, while the first round experiment for pepper is also good. And I think sisipunin ako. I just keep myself hydrated. 30 seconds na lang, wait.